Till now, e-learning has covered almost every chapter of cognitive class 8. And in case आपने वीडियोस को नहीं देखा है, so guys go and check out those videos. I have provided a shortcut button here. Just click on it and it will directly take you to that playlist. And I wish कि आपको इन वीडियो सीरीज के थ्रू इस चैप्टर्स के भी सॉल्यूशंस या एक्सप्लेनेशन क्लियर हो जाएंगे. Coming back to this point. So आज हम क्लास 8 चैप्टर मीन स्कूल बॉय को स्टडी करेंगे. So in this video we will see how William Blake has compared a schoolboy with a bird that lives in a cage. कैसे विलियम ब्लेक ने एक स्कूल बॉय को एक बर्ड के साथ कंपेयर किया है and also with a flower which actually has to blossom but unfortunately gets dry up. जैसे जिसको वैसे तो खिलना चाहिए था but वो मुरझा गया. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ किसे स्कूल जाना पसंद है और किसे स्कूल जाना नहीं पसंद है. हम में से होंगे बहुत सारे शैतान बच्चे जिन्हें स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं होगा, राइट. वैसे ही पोएट भी उस शैतान बच्चे की बात कर रहा है जिसे स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं है एंड वो स्कूल ना जाने के चक्कर में बड़े डिफरेंट एक्सक्यूजेस देता है. लाइक जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, कभी वर्ड के साथ कंपेयर करता है तो कभी फ्लावर के साथ. चलिए देखते हैं कि पोएट ने ये सब इंस्टेंसेस में कैसे कवर किया, राइट. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स बाय अ बॉय व्हेन ही इज एक्सप्रेसिंग हिज फीलिंग्स फॉर सिंगिंग. आई लव टू राइज इन अ समर मॉर्निंग. मुझे गर्मियों की सुबह में जल्दी उठना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. व्हेन द बर्ड सिंग्स ऑन एवरी ट्री. जब वो प्यारी सी चिड़ियां सुबह सुबह उन पेड़ों पर गाती हैं. द डिस्टेंट हंट्समैन विंड्स हिज horn and the skylark sings with me. Oh what a sweet company. वो दो शिकारी दूर से साउंड कर रहे हैं. स्टूडेंट्स आपने लोमड़ी या किसी दो या किसी एनिमल को देखा ही होगा मूवीज में, राइट. सो जो हंट्समैन है वो वही एनिमल्स हैं एंड दे आर विंडिंग देयर होर्न्स. मतलब वो गा रहे हैं जोर जोर से. एंड द स्काईलार्क भी मेरे साथ गा रही है. स्काईलार्क इज ए बर्ड नेम. ओ एंड में बोलता है ओ व्हाट ए स्वीट कंपनी. देखो कितनी सुंदर कंपनी है. वाह मेरे पास कितना अच्छा साथ है सुबह सुबह उठकर सिंग करने के लिए. बट सडनली तब क्या होता है जब वो बॉय ये सब बता रहा होता है कि कैसे वो सिंग करता है सबके साथ मिलकर, उसी टाइम वो एकदम से सैड सा हो जाता है एंड बोलता है सेकंड सेंजा में, बट टू गो टू स्कूल इन द समर मॉर्निंग, oh it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the day in sighing and dismay. But when I have to go to the school in the समर मॉर्निंग, लेकिन जब मुझे गर्मियों की सुबह स्कूल जाना पड़ता है, माई ओल जॉय ड्राइव्स अवे. मेरी सारी खुशियां एंड एक्साइटमेंट गाने के लिए सब खत्म हो जाती है. एंड ओल क्रूअल आईज, वो सारी गुस्से से भरी आंखें टीचर्स की हमें देखती रहती हैं. एंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स लाइक मी हैव टू स्पेंड देयर होल डे इन साइंग एंड डिस्मे. एंड वो सभी बच्चों जो मेरी तरह सुबह सुबह उठकर गाना चाहते हैं, वो सभी भी उदासी में अपना दिन उस स्कूल में स्पेंड करते हैं. And in third sense also, the schoolboy is crying on his situation that, oh, then at times I drop in sick and spend many an anxious hour. Nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learning over. Worn through with the dreary shower. Oh, तब समय समय पर सैड होकर बैठ जाता हूँ because I have no other option to do. मैं बन जाता हूँ एंड वो सारे आवर्स के लिए मुझे सैड होकर बैठना पड़ता है. मुझे ना तो उन बुक्स में कुछ अच्छा लगता है और ना ही उस क्लास में. एंड वॉन्ट थ्रू विद द ड्रेरी शोवर. स्टूडेंट्स, ड्रेरी मींस डल एंड शोवर मींस कंटीन्यूअस लेक्चर्स. सो व्हाट स्कूल बॉय एक्चुअली मेंट हियर इज that he has no other option to do other than sitting in that class and to hear those dull or boring lectures. उसके पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होता और उसे वो बोरिंग इसी क्लास में जबरदस्ती टीचर जो पढ़ा रही होती है उसे सुनना पड़ता है. अब इस फोर्थ स्टेंजा में इस स्कूल बॉय ने अपने एक्सपीरियंस वाइड ओपन कर दिया. एंड नाउ he compares his situations with the bird and says, how can the bird that is born for joy sit in the cage and sing? जब वो चिड़िया उड़ने के लिए और गाने के लिए बोर्न हुई है, वो कैसे उस पिंजरे में बंद होकर कुछ गा सकती है. उसी तरह how can a child when fears annoy but droop his tender wing and forget his useful string? एक बच्चा भी उस तरह से कैसे रह सकता है जब उसके चारों तरफ एक डरावना सा माहौल हो जो कुछ भी करने से डरता हो। सो उसने यहाँ अपनी क्लासरूम को कंपेयर कर दिया है एक केज के समान, और टीचर एज इफ जैसे उससे बहुत डर लग रहा है। उसी तरह एक बच्चा भी कैसे अपने पंख खोलकर बिल्कुल केयर फ्री होकर हो सकता है या जी सकता है। एंड फिर वो बोलता है, if father and mother, if birds are left and blossoms blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day by sorrow and care's dismay, how shall the summers arise in a joy? Will the summer fruits appear? And वो अब फाइनली अपने मम्मी पापा के पास जाता है एंड बोलता है कि ओ फादर एंड मदर, इफ बर्ड्स आर लिव, अगर आप बर्ड्स को ही तोड़ दोगे तो उससे फ्लावर कैसे उगेगा? एंड इफ द टेंडर प्लांट्स आर स्ट्रिप्ड, और साथ ही साथ इफ आप उन छोटे छोटे पेड़ों को भी तोड़ दोगे तो वो सभी खुशी के स्प्रिंग डेज बिल्कुल सोरो एंड सैडनेस में चेंज हो जाएंगे। हर जगह पेलनेस होगी, देयर वुड बी एन इमोशंस ऑफ गिव अप। और इन सब चीजों से कैसे वो खुशी के स्प्रिंग डेज वापस आएंगे, एंड कैसे वो फूल फिर से खिल पाएंगे, कैसे उनमें फिर से फ्रूट्स आएंगे। एंड इसी नोट से पोएम यहाँ एंड हो जाती है। Oh man, that kid said so many meaningful things. Otherwise, अच्छा friend, tell me one thing. Do you hold the same perspective? क्या आप भी सेम चीज सोचते हैं जो उस बच्चे ने बोली? From my point of view, he said the right thing, but doesn't hold with every kid. हाँ, उसने उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ठीक हो सकता है, बट हर बच्चे का सेम पॉइंट ऑफ नहीं हो सकता। तो कहाँ वो कहीं किसी जगह ठीक है, किसी जगह ठीक नहीं है। सी, हर बच्चे के पास अपने राइट्स हैं एक प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग के, उसको अपनी लाइफ में क्या करना चाहिए एंड क्या उसके ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं। तो उन सबके एक्सप्लोर करने का हर बच्चे का ऑप्शन है एंड अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस कर सकता है। फ्रेंड्स, मेरे को जो इस पोएम से जो मोरल मिलता है या लगता है इज दैट चिल्ड्रन शुड बी अलाउड टू ओपन देयर विंग्स एंड फ्लाई। They should be given proper guidance, and every child should also be courageous enough to share his problems with his parents. हर बच्चे को राइट है अपने अपने आप को वाइड ओपन करके अपने कुछ सोचने का, एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस का, एंड उसको इतना करेजियस होना चाहिए कि वो अपनी कोई अगर प्रॉब्लम फेस करता है तो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस कर सके। सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो। इफ आपको हमारी वीडियोस एंड टीचिंग स्टाइल अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक, and do not forget to share with your friends and family. So till then, take care and rock this world with your creativity. See you soon.
Actually, what do you think is, we'll have a small discussion. Please on your cameras also. Akshita, Adisha, Ranjan, please participate. What is your take on this? It's a very sweet poem, The Schoolboy. And we can take that this boy is very young. He doesn't like going to school. He has this fear in his mind, isn't it? So do you
Yes,
think that we should not cage a child? Cage a child means you should not restrict a child. What is the purpose of a young child? How should the child grow? What does a child feel like? What is in the child's mind? Can someone tell me?
ma'am, like children like to do some work, like a practical work, not just by reading a book or something like that.
Okay, they
So
like.
he wants to do something adventurous. Me,
And when can you do something adventurous? When can we do something adventurous? Who are people who do daring things and who do adventures and
ma'am, like if they have courage, and also children should get permission from their elders, guardians.
no,
If
you
if
took my
someone
question.
will support them, then
You took my question in a wrong way. I mean to say, whom do you think? How do a child develops into a courageous child? If the child is fearful, वो डरा हुआ है अंदर से. Do you think that he or she will grow up into a courageous child?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
तो उसको courageous बनाने के लिए बचपन से, I'm just talking, consider yourself when you were young, or any of your brother or sister or someone who's seen around. You must have seen many children, कुछ बहुत दबे दबे रहते हैं, डरे हुए रहते हैं, and some are on the contrary very like full of life and they're bubbly and do whatever they want. What is the difference between both? Why is it different? The nature. Can you tell me? Yes, anyone?
Ma'am, some children's like have fear because from the starting only, uh, like they understand that this is not fun and I can't do it.
Why? वो डर कैसे आ जाता है उनके मन में? जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तब तो नहीं वो डरा हुआ होता. Everyone is born almost the same way. What is it that influences them?
Ma'am, once he tried and
Huh?
he failed up.
I can't get your point.
Ma'am, once he tried, ma'am, then
Okay.
he failed up.
Okay, he
Then.
failed and he started fearing. Okay. उसकी अच्छी अपब्रिंगिंग के लिए क्या जरूरी होता है?
मैम उनको हिम्मत वाली बातें सिखाकर और उनको हमेशा अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए किसी भी डर वाली चीज के लिए.
Yes. It is a very nice thing.
Support is needed.
She said that इसको encourage करना चाहिए. मतलब you have to motivate the child.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam. You have to motivate the child. मतलब I wanted actually to get the word environment and your surroundings. Even you have learned this in science. For instance, a small plant, if you take, what are the factors that affect the growth of the plant?
Ma'am, the atmosphere and surrounding environment.
Yes. If you keep the plant total in darkness, do you think the plant will grow better, or if you keep it in sunlight, it will grow better?
I mean sunlight
Ma'am,
grows
sunlight.
better.
I like
Now,
sunlight.
I hope you understood my point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
There are many factors in a growth of a living being. It's not the point of only a bird, animal, or a plant. It is for us humans also. Sometimes the environment of the child or the is young child who is growing is not apt. Apt means sahi nahi hai. Maybe the child internally is full of life, but if he starts experiencing and all he gets from his surrounding is negativity, he will grow up into a negative person, a fearful person. Continuously, if someone is telling you, don't do this, even in the house, if you see, what would you prefer? Someone leaving you free, doing what is there in your heart and mind, or someone who keeps poking always that don't do this, don't do that? Which type of parents would you prefer? Yes, Radhika, what do you think? कौन सा प्रेफर करोगे तुम? टोकाटाकी वाले या फ्री?
Enjoy everything in your life, whatever you want to do.
जो आपके मन में है आप वो करो. Isn't it? Just now I was teaching in class 9th, and there also the story was about a pet. The story was about how we keep the animals in the zoo and we restrict them. Basically, what do we do? हम उस animal को like in the paragraph also you must have seen the young boy saying that you put the bird in the cage and you expect it to sing sweet songs. आपने रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया है उस स्पेस को, उस बर्ड की स्पेस को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया है, एंड देन यू थिंक दैट दिस ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड इज गोइंग टू डांस फॉर यू, इज गोइंग टू सिंग फॉर यू. आंट वी बीइंग सेल्फिश? वो कैसे करेगी जब वो अपने नेचुरल हैबिटेट में नहीं है? यू सी सो मेनी बर्ड्स इन ऑल अराउंड योर हाउस एंड ऑल. कौन से बर्ड्स फ्रीली गाते हैं? उसका जब मन करता है वो बर्ड गाती है ना, जिसको फ्री रखा जाता है. डू वी टेल द बर्ड डोंट फ्लाई हियर, डोंट फ्लाई देयर? उसका जहां मन करता है वो उस ट्री पे फ्लाई करती है, एंड शी डज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट शी वांट्स, एंड व्हेन शी फील्स हैप्पी शी सिंग्स, isn't it? So what I mean to say, in this beautiful poem, the poet is actually telling that this school boy doesn't like going to the school because probably he is not being given that environment which he is looking for. He wants that nobody should restrict him, nobody should take away his freedom and give any do's and don'ts to him. Isn't it? आप लोग भी अपने आप को रिलेट करोगे कि हमें नहीं अच्छा लगता कि कोई हमें रिस्ट्रिक्ट करे. Isn't it? Now, if you see during this COVID times, like you are not able to come to the school, like the ninth standard is just 1 year ahead of you, they are allowed in the school. We are seeing that the change in them. For so many months they were in the house, and now all of a sudden they're coming in the school, and they are becoming talkative day by day, obviously. Isn't it? शुरू में थोड़ा वो fear था कि ओ कोविड ना हो जाए, ऐसा ना हो जाए, but now they have started interacting, they are into their normal self. The restrictions जितनी हट रही हैं वो खुल रही हैं, confidence आ रहा है, everything is interconnected, isn't it? आप लोग on the contrary, आपको लग रहा होगा क्यों हमें घर के अंदर ही बंद करके रखा है. In the beginning, when this thing started of COVID, in the month of like April, May and all, most of you were not allowed to go to your grandparents' house or anywhere for vacation. कितना हमको बुरा लग रहा था कि oh we cannot do this, we cannot do that, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ऐसे बात, दूर रहो, nobody likes restrictions. You feel suffocated. Same is with the small child who in this beautiful poem has told that leave me free. You cannot expect me to be growing into a good human being or putting my best self when you are restricting me. So he is a child who doesn't like going to school. Maybe there are children around us also, isn't it? What I'll do is I'm going to ask you a few questions. There's some internet problem also. तो बीच में मेरा net भी जा रहा है, तो probably my camera will be off. And I have seen that many children haven't told Sairam. My screen is visible, and you can see whether your attendance is here. जिसके नहीं है, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Sairam बोल दो तो आपका नाम आ जाएगा.
Sairam, ma'am.
Ranjan, you have joined from 2 devices. Four children, I would say 4 or 3 children's name is missing from here. Any idea whose name is missing from here? Vivek is not here. Now it's become 17. Vivek's name is come like this. Can you tell me? किसी और का नाम नहीं है अगर? Anisha is there. Udit. Udit's name is there? No. Adisha, please read this summary. I'm opening this. Yes, Peter, please read this.
Summary of The Schoolboy. In this article, you will be reading the Schoolboy summary. The Schoolboy poem is written by William Blake. The poem is about a schoolboy who is unhappy. He says that his childhood is crumpled for the sake of learning and teaching. The boy likes morning trees and birds. He loves being in nature. However, due to his school, his mornings are unpleasant and unhappy. He does not like going to school and is not interested in studies and books. The poet further advises the parents to not deprive the child of joy and freedom that he deserves to have. In case we have unhappy children, our world will be full of sorrow. We will never be able to experience joy. Schoolboy summary. The schoolboy poem is about an unhappy schoolboy. He is a summer morning and is fond of seeing the trees and the birds. We know that morning time is full of hope and inspiration. He finds a distant nonsense horn singing. Also, he wishes to sing with the skylark. In short, he enjoys being in the company of nature. As he has to go to the school, his morning hours pass unhappily. As a result, his life at school is also worrisome. He is not interested in studies and books. Even teachers' lectures bore him. The teacher also keeps a strict eye on all the students so that they follow all the rules and regulations. Thus, his day is spent in distress and sadness. Also, he loses all his joy. The poet compares the school with a tree under which children sit and learn. Boy says he
The boy says he does not find peace sitting under this tree also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, you should read such articles. You never know you get a long answer from this or not. This last one you read. We all know that the pleasure. Adisha?
We all know that the pleasure, ma'am, the poet beautifully compares it with nature.
No, this one. We all know that the pleasure.
Okay, ma'am. We all know that the pleasure of childhood lies in being free and happy like a bird. The poet here compares a child in school as a bird in a cage. He thus says that as the bird is happy in the cage, so the child in school. He says that a child who is scared by his parents and teachers cannot be happy and joyful. The poet further says that the parents should not deprive their child of joy and freedom for the sake of students. Depriving them of joy and freedom is like to deprive the world of its joy. The poet also compares children with birds and flowers from the plants. He is of the belief that this world will be a full place in the absence of a happy childhood. The poet beautifully compares it with nature. He says that without a happy childhood, we shall only have a winter of sorrow. We shall never be able to experience summer of joy.
Okay. I'll just have one small this one for a practice. You can check all these. There are many sites which give you MCQ and your Google form will be of MCQ types. Okay.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे 8th क्लास की पोयम द स्कूल बॉय के एमसीक्यूज की। तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पोएट लव टू गेट अप, कवि को कब उठना पसंद था? लेट इन समर, गर्मी के मौसम में देरी से उठना, अर्ली इन समर, गर्मी के मौसम में जल्दी उठना, लेट इन विंटर, सर्दी के मौसम में देरी से उठना, अर्ली इन विंटर, सर्दी के मौसम में जल्दी उठना। तो इसका आंसर है
Can someone tell me the answer?
Ma'am, option B.
Option B. Let's check.
option B, early in summer.
Right.
Next question, in the morning, the birds sing on dash. सुबह के समय पक्षी कहाँ गाते हैं?
Can someone tell me the answer? Mango trees, bushes, rose flowers, every tree.
Ma'am, option D.
Every tree.
Every tree. Okay, let's see.
Go trees. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, every tree. Next question, the school boy spends his day with a feeling of dash. स्कूल का लड़का
I don't want him to explain.
Fear.
Option B, joy.
Spends with a, I think it's
fear, डर के साथ, joy, खुशी के above, या ये सभी इसके आंसर है। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, fear, डर के साथ।
That's what he doesn't like going to the school because probably the teachers and
Yes, ma'am.
all the teachers are continuously nagging. Don't do this. Don't. That's what actually happens. In our school, you're very lucky that we don't have that environment, and everyone are very supportive.
Next question, the school boy feels himself like a bird. आसमान
Bird in the cage.
Ma'am,
Bird
option
in a
B.
cage.
Option B.
bird in cage, पिंजरे में पक्षी, a huntsman in the jungle, जंगल में एक शिकारी in cage. Next question, the school boy enjoys the company of dead.
Skylark, huntsman, a close friend, a school
A
fellow.
class fellow.
Let's see.
चातक पक्षी, हंट्समैन, क्लास फेलो एंड प्रिय मित्र के साथ। तो इसका आंसर ऑप्शन ए, स्काईलार्क। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अंडर अ क्रूअल आई, इन दिस फ्रेज द क्रूअल आई मींस, क्रूअल आई का मतलब होता है हेडेक, सिर में दर्द, बोरिंग लेसन, उबा देने वाला पाठ।
Option B, boring.
Option B. C.
It is option C.
Strict discipline. Next question, who is the speaker of this poem? इस कविता में वक्ता कौन है? A school boy, a
Very
tree,
easy one.
A schoolboy.
Option A.
School boy.
School boy. Which drives all his joy.
joy. कौन उसकी खुशी को छीन लेता है? Going to school, स्कूल में जाना. The sweet songs of birds, पक्षियों
Going to school.
Option A.
Going to school.
Option A.
Option A.
Next question, which thing
It is, I think,
does
option
not
A.
से कोई नहीं? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, going to school. Give him delight. कौन सी चीज उसे प्रसन्नता नहीं देती?
School.
All of
School.
these.
I think all.
Of these.
All of these.
All the things. If you see carefully, it is all.
D. Next question, the birds cannot sing in the dash.
It is also easy.
Cage.
Cage. Option D.
The tender birds not grow, what will happen? यदि नाजुक कलियां बढ़ नहीं पाएंगी तो क्या होगा? Flowers will not grow, फूल नहीं बढ़ेंगे.
All of these.
All of these.
बसंत मौसम
All
नहीं
of
आएगा.
these.
Ma'am, all of these.
आज के लिए
All of
बच्चों
these.
इतना
All of these. So that- Okay, let's try something else. I don't know whether it's about this poem. I'll just
Hello,
check.
my dear kids. Very good evening. No lagging, guys. I think it's fine now. Session on how does it work, a series where we explain the functioning of different compounds. The best teachers of India,
I
and you
think
all,
this is something else. Like, by mistake, I put this. Fine. Unseen. Can you tell this? This birds sing in which season?
Summer.
Summer.
Ma'am, summer.
Summer. Next, on the summer morning, the poet sings with
The bird.
The birds.
let's check. You remember the answers, okay? The summer morning is full of
Birds.
the word winds means here see it's summer, the skylark, here it is music. This one is it's full of music because the birds are singing, so it's full of music. And the word winds means sounds by blowing of horn. We have another multiple choice. At the time, the schoolboy sits drooping because why is he looking sad and is just sitting in the school?
The atmosphere
The
in the
atmosphere
class
in the
is
class
not
is
good.
not good.
Ma'am, option C.
Okay, let's see. Next one. He cannot take delight in his books because
He doesn't like study.
okay. The speaker in the poem is
Unhappy.
Unhappy.
this was something very sure. The word anxious means
Worried.
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 Anxious आप anxiety इसी को कहते हैं. Nowadays people are falling ill because they're always there's a lot of anxiety. क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा? This is what is anxiety. What's going to happen next? So that is all because you're continuously worrying. Here see, it is carefree, the first one. No, sorry. The atmosphere in the class is not good. That is what we said, na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Books, he didn't like to study, we told. Okay, he's attracted to nature. This child is attracted to nature. He wants to be a part of nature. That is why he's talking about birds and singing and all this stuff, and flowers and all. Unhappy. Yes, this was also right. He's unhappy. Second one, what is the answer? Okay, he's attracted to nature. One was wrong. The poet in the poem is who is the poet?
Option B. Blake.
William Blake is a very, very famous poet actually, whose parents are being referred to in the third stanza
Ma'am,
Of
option
the
D.
schoolboy.
of the schoolboy, or is it a general, all parents?
Ma'am, all parents.
This phrase tender glance refers to
Young birds.
Young
glance
Young.
young
refers
Young.
children.
to young children probably. The word stripped means
Deprived.
yes, now
Deprived.
seen over here deprived. William Blake, the schoolboy, the young children. Here it is. Oh, it's here the schoolboy. Oh, the parents of the schoolboy. Disha was right. Okay. Here they are the textual ones. You go on the net, actually the timing is so less now that we don't get time to there's so much of things which I can help you with, but because of the time restrictions and just 2 periods in a week, I cannot do much. So what you do is today is Thursday, Saturday I'll be taking the Google form test. This poem and the of Thomas Hardy, both please revise it. go through this so much of there's ample amount of uh, stuff on the internet. I've just shown it to you also. Some videos also. Instead of videos, you can go for this thing of like MCQs on. This is the best thing. If you see this one, you'll get here. See how many of them. Okay, just go through 2 or 3, and you will be thorough with the poem. Okay, you can do a little bit of practice of both the poems. Okay, any doubt? Anyone who wants to know which 2 poems are coming? Everyone knows now?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can score full marks.
Yes, ma'am.
You can score full marks in this. Okay? Okay, now I just want to know who are the children who are left for the presentation. I'm repeating the names. Pooja, Khushi have done. Nikunj, Tanisha, Nandini have done. Udit and Rudraksh have done. Akshita and Khushi have done. Pranjal and Akshat have done. Monica and Nandini, Pranjal and Devang, Adyasha. Then you have, has Sarthak done?
Ma'am, Radhika.
Radhika, नाम तो लिखा है मैंने.
I'm with Adyasha.
One second. That reported speech?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I missed your name. That is why I'm talking. Radhika. I'll just 1 second, I'll just off the recording.